This is the top of the 5th page, which is right after what we just did. And it's the last little bit. We're almost done this little section. And all it says is a little bit harder. Really, to me, they're not that much harder. So let's just work through these together. The only thing they put here then is we have to do some distributive property work before we do anything here. So let's expand out this side using the distributive property. All right, so we got 3 times 2 is 6x plus 4 times 3 is 12 equals, expand this side out, 20x minus 20. Okay, just like we just did earlier, x is here, numbers here, numbers here. Let's take these x's and move them over here. Let's say take away 20x, take away 20x. Here we're left with negative 4x plus 12 is equal to negative 20. Our x's are now on this side. Let's move these numbers over to this side by subtracting 12. Subtracting 12, we get negative 4x is equal to negative 32. Final step is to divide by negative 4, and we get x is equal to 8. So see, was that much harder? No, not really. It's the same concepts that we've been studying and practicing before. Last but not least here, why does this look a little crazier? Because we have fractions. Let's clear the denominator. We don't want to do this expanding out with fractions. It gets really ugly. 2 and 4, lowest common denominator is a 4. Multiply this by 4, this by 4. Remember, when you have something in brackets, you don't do anything with you. Just leave them alone. 2 goes into 4 twice. 2 times whatever's here. That's 2 times 1 is 2. Leave your brackets. Equals. 4 goes into 4 once. 1 times 1 is 1. Leave your brackets. Technically here, a coefficient of 1 doesn't change anything. So let's first of all expand this out. All right, so we get 6x plus 4 is equal to 1 times anything is itself. So really, I'm just going to rewrite this just with this, right? Because 1 times that is simply that. Okay, now we need to collect our x's on the left. Minus 2x minus 2x. We're left with 4x plus 4 is equal to negative 1. Going to subtract 4 from here, subtract 4 from here. We're left with 4x is equal to negative 5. Final step, divide by 4. We get x is equal to negative 5 over 4. Final answer, ta-ta! So that wraps up section 8.4. We're going to talk to, well, we'll post the questions that you're supposed to do in regards to all different sections of this. So hope it went well. Hope you guys are doing well, safe and happy, and we'll see you shortly.